Hello YouTube, real quick video to show how we're going to use our clamping jig to spot weld. It's kind of rigged up with the washers, but anything that'll hold it. We're just going to put a little spot weld right there. We're going to make another miniature scraper out of some leftover chisel. And there you go, that easy. Remember, you don't want to weld nothing to that plate. That's a pretty good spot weld if you see it. It's still fragile. Don't trust spot welds. Don't think they're going to always hold. I've learned the hard way. That's good enough to flip it over and spot weld the other side. So thanks for watching. Look for the pictures at the end. What's that old saying? Waste not, want not. You're probably going to see a crack gap in there when I'm done shaping this. I am not going out and putting another spot weld. See where these overlap? It's going to be a simple scraper with a simple little short screwdriver handle. Kind of hard to do. See how it's tapered on the top? And as far as straight, it's straight up. This isn't straight, of course. That was just chopped off. That'll be all done with their belt sanders and everything. So, if you watched it this far, thanks again for watching.